Ever wondered if you could supercharge your vintage Photoshop 70 with cutting-edge features? Well, you can with Nano Banana. First, you'll need to download Nano Banana. Head over to the official Nano Banana website or a trusted source for legacy software. Make sure the version you're downloading is compatible with Photoshop 70. Usually indicated in the description or system requirements. Click the download button and save the file to a location you'll easily remember, like your desktop. Next, locate your Photoshop 70 plugins folder. This is usually found inside the main Photoshop directory. It's often something like C/program files /Adobe /Photoshop 70 /plugins. Keep this folder open. You'll need it in a moment. Now, find the downloaded Nano Banana file. This might be a single file or a zipped folder containing multiple files. Extract the contents of the zip file if necessary. Drag the Nano Banana file, or all the extracted files, into the Photoshop 70 plugins folder we opened earlier. Time to restart Photoshop 70. Close the program completely and then relaunch it. This is crucial for Photoshop to recognize the newly installed plugin. Once Photoshop is open again, go to the filter menu. You should now see Nano Banana listed as an option if it's not there. Double-check that the plugin files are correctly placed in the plugins folder and try restarting Photoshop again. Click on Nano Banana and explore the new features and functionalities it adds to Photoshop 70. Experiment with the different options, parameters, and settings to unlock new creative possibilities. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated Nano Banana. Now go forth and create something amazing.